Hi, welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to show you how to delete my Zoom account. Let's get right in. Alright, first I just want you to go into your browser, and then once you launched your browser, you will go to the search bar and type zoom.us. Alright, you can also get through that website from your Zoom app if you already have it, and then go into your picture. Okay, click on it, and then go into settings, profile, and click on edit my profile. Alright, and you will get in. Okay, so once you're in, there are too many options on the left side. Scroll down on them, and then click on admin. Alright, once you clicked on admin, there are four options right here. Click on account management, the third one, and then two options will appear to you once you click on account management. Choose account profile. So once we clicked on account profile, we can see here terminate my account. Click on it, and then here you can delete your Zoom account by entering the code that the verification code that they sent it to your email, and they told you below. So that's one that they typed to you right here. Alright, so once you entered your code here, you can be able to delete the account 100%. Anyways, guys, that's the video. That's how I can delete my Zoom account in a few minutes. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your beloved ones. And bye bye. See you next video.